Did you know that Google gives out rewards every week for those who are participating in its Google Play ecosystem? These rewards can be anything from free Google Play points to a free 3 months of 2 terabytes of storage in Google Drive, or even a free trial for its Google Play Pass subscription service. Google Play Points is a rewards program for those who buy things in the company's official app store. These points are earned from in-app purchases, movies, books, and even from simply trying free apps or games that are currently being featured. Some people redeem these points for in-app items within an app or a game that they use, but they can also be redeemed for Google Play credit as well. You can find the details of your Google Play Points rewards by first opening up the Play Store, then tapping on your profile image up at the top right, and then finally selecting the Google Play Points option from here. This is where you'll see how many points your account currently has, your rank, ways to earn points, and what you can spend those points on. The company has even gamified the rewards program by setting up 4 tiers to the system. Everyone starts out at the bronze level, but once you reach 150 Google Play points, you will be bumped up to silver. Then, after you earn 600 points, you will move into the gold tier, and finally, after 3,000 points, you will make it into the platinum tier. Each tier offers its own set of perks, with bonuses starting out in the silver tier and increasing into the gold and platinum tier. And I wanted to remind everyone that you can go to the Play Points section of the Google Play Store and check the Perks tab up here at the top. Google does a giveaway each week and offers prizes depending on which tier you are currently in. Since I am in the bronze tier, I am eligible to get a bronze prize, which can be just more Google Play points, which again can be converted into free Google Play Store credit. But sometimes you can get 3 free months of the company's 2 terabyte plan for Google One and Google Drive. Other times, you can get 3 free months of its Google Play Pass subscription service. So if you've never looked at the points reward system for Google Play, then I highly recommend you check it out. And everyone loves free stuff, so also remember to go back to the perks page here every week to see what you've won. If you've gotten something unique from this in the past, I would love to hear about it down in the comments section below. I suspect Google has given away a lot of crazy things through this rewards program in the past.